This is the main dashboard where you get details such as your SMS and email credit balance. Recent campaigns can also be viewed. Moving on to the People's tab, you have two options to add in your contacts, individually or in bulk. Click Create Person to add in customers manually. Fill in the details listed and make sure to select the country the number is based from. If you want to add your customers to a specific segment, tags will allow that. You can add your customer details via a CSV or Excel file. In order to do so, click on Import. Sample CSV format is provided to give you an idea. In order to add in your CSV or Excel sheet, you can drag and drop the file or click on the button. Attributes are the columns in your Excel sheet. You need to make sure to map them to the relevant attribute. Make sure to select the country in order to avoid any formatting errors. If your database contains contacts from various countries, make sure they are in international format. You can also add a custom attribute if it is not available. Uniquely identify helps avoid any duplicates which will be removed from our end. You can add a tag and create a segment for your customers. Here you get a summary. Confirm the details and click on Import. All details are shown here and the segment you just created as well. Thank you.